Hello, this is Gabriel and Rika. Today we are going to be dyeing eggs. With glitter glue and eggs and some paint, but we're not doing that yet. And then first we have to cut our drops, and then we'll put the egg. And then I'm gonna grab an egg.
Wait.
After Brooklyn gets the egg. Oh my God!
Okay, put yours in.
Let me touch my egg. Why won't you die? You need saran wrap. And you need glitter glue. Hang on the saran. Kate! I'll put it in there for you. No, it's gonna dye blue.
No, it's not gonna be blue.
Because that's a different color. Oh my God. I'm making a smiley.
Is it coming out?
There's some blue in mine. There's some blue in mine. I want some. Put some purple in mine. I like pink and purple. Ooh. Put some purple in mine. I like pink and purple. Purple. But I got pink. That's enough. That's enough. After you pick glitter glue all over the eggs, you have to wait for it to dry. This could be very messy, folks. I'm gonna have to put enough glitter glue because it's gonna roll off. Now my turn. Hello, folks. We're gonna let another Easter egg die, and then we're gonna let it die for hours and hours, and then it will be done. And we put glitter on it. Brooklyn, listen. You have to wait until 20 minutes before the eggs are dry. Okay, folks, let's get our basket ready. A big ball, folks. Now break it all up, folks. Break it! You will need yellow paint with the paintbrush, 2 eggs that we dyed yesterday with the glitter glue, and stickers. So let's get started. Oh, and Kinetic sand and saran wrap. So we're gonna pour the sand, the Kinetic sand, in the bowl. You have to make sure that the sand is smooth. And this is first, folks. You have to pour your paint with glue. After you finish putting glue on the bottom, you stick it in sand. What? You pat the sand on your eggs so it could be smooth like this. Now we move to the next step, the sign. Hold your egg like this. Get your paintbrush, put paint on it. If it's too much, dab it. Dab like this. And I'm gonna do little strips. Getting messy. Get a different paintbrush to put the lines on the side. Choose a sticker. I choose a seahorse, folks. Don't go yet. We have to put the saran wrap on. So there you have it, folks. Kinetic Sand Beach Eggs. Happy Easter!